Opo.
So balik ta dere. There are two astronauts in space, and ang girl daw, ang woman, a male astronaut of mass 75 kilograms and a female astronaut of mass 55.0 kilograms stand facing each other in the outer space. So dara, stand facing. The woman pushes the man. So gitulak niya palayo si man. So that means gitulak niya ha, gitulak. Dapat ana. Gipush niya palayo si man. This is the force exerted by the man on the on nalibog na noon pugog apil. This is the force exerted by the woman. Tama? Kinsa may naka-experience ani nga force? Si man. So this is the force exerted by the woman on the man. Follow? Nasabtan na ako ang mga variables. So force exerted by a woman on the man. Okay? So according to the third law of motion, if the woman pushes the man, then automatically the man pushes, there is a reaction. There is a force exerted by the man on the woman. So the force exerted by the man on the woman. So this is the action-reaction pair. So this is the action, then this is the reaction. Nakuha? Okay, so ibig sabihin, kung gina-push nimo siya palayo, siya po naga-push sa imuha palayo. Nag-make sense? Wala. So there is a reaction to every action. So let us identify all the given variables. We have the mass of the man. Butangan ako M for man. The mass of the man is 75 kilograms. And then the mass of the woman is 55.0 kilograms. And then the force exerted by the woman on the man is 85.0 Newton. So in turn, according to the third law of motion, the reaction will be just the same magnitude, 85.0 Newton, and it is acting in the opposite direction. Follow? Opposite direction. So this is acceleration. Ang hinahanap natin for this problem is acceleration of the man for letter A, and then for letter B is the acceleration of the woman. So that means we will use the second law of motion. Summation of forces must be equal to MA. Ayan. So ano lang ba ang force acting dito? Wala mang friction sa outer space. So applied force lang, ito lang. So ang na-experience lang ni man is ang na-experience, wala ding normal force sa outer space, wala may surface, wala po yung weight sa outer space. Kay weightless man sila dito, weightlessness. Tama? So applied force lang. So ibig sabihin, ano yung na-experience ni man? For man ito ha. So lagyan natin ng man para yan, experienced by the man. So ano yung force experienced by the man? Itong 85. So that we can divide both sides by m na lang diretso para di na malibog. Acceleration of the man is just equal to 85 Newton because that's the force experienced by the man divided by the mass of the man, which is 75.0 kilograms. And that will give us 1.133 meters per second squared. Remember how many significant figures ang kailangan natin? Tatlo. So that means the acceleration of the man is 1.13 meters per second squared. So ibig sabihin, the man will move to the right. Kasi nga, positive. So it will move to the right. At an acceleration of 1.13 meters per second squared. Next, how about for letter B? Ang hinahanap natin is the acceleration of the woman. So same, acceleration of the woman is just F experienced by the woman divided by the mass of the woman. So that is negative 85.0 Newton divided by the mass of the woman, which is 55.0 kilograms. And that will give us 1.5454 meters per second squared. Three significant figures. So our final answer must be 1.55 meters per second squared. So that means the woman will accelerate to the left. Lagyan pala natin ng negative, no? Negative. Kasi negative naman talaga. Negative. So that means the woman will accelerate to the left in the opposite direction at negative 1.55 meters per second squared. The negative sign means it is going to the left. So that is why in outer space, mahirap kasi mag-move sa outer space. Bakit? Kasi walang external force acting on you. Walang net force acting on you. So paano ka mag-move? For example, ako in the outer space. Wala mang mag-push sa akin, wala mang friction doon. So hindi ako maka-move. By the way, dito sa Earth, maka-move tayo because of the presence of friction. Kapag walang friction dito, hindi tayo mag-move. Or hindi din tayo mag-stop. So ganun lang ang mangyayari. So in the outer space, it's either hindi ka mag-move or hindi ka mag-stop. Now, paano tayo mag-change ng direction sa outer space? For example, gusto ko pupunta sa taas. Anong gagawin ko? Of course, mag-throw lang ako ng object pababa. So pag throw ko pababa, of course, there will be a reaction papunta ako sa taas. So for example, ako ito. I-throw ko dito yung object pababa. So that means the reaction pupunta ako sa taas.